and welcome to Healthy Habits. Today we are going to be doing some full body yoga. We are going to be doing a mix of restoration and endurance. So let's get right into this. This is the spinal twist. You'll twist your legs to one side for about 30 seconds. And then after that, you just breathe. And then once the 30 seconds is done, you move to the other legs going to the other side, or your legs going to the other side for another 30 seconds. Okay. Next, we are going to do the chair pose. I'm going to hold this for about 30 seconds. I'm going to move on to the mountain pose for another 30 seconds, and remember to breathe in and out. Okay, we're now going to move on to the low pyramid, where you will place one foot in front of the other. They will both face in front of you. You will lower your torso to be over the low pyramid, and you will stick your hands out in front of you. You want to do this for a full minute, 30 seconds for each leg that is in front of the other, which, as you can see, has been switched. Last but not least, we will finish this off with the three-legged dog. Now, with this, you are also going to sit here for about 30 seconds and just breathe. Okay, and then switch. Going to sit here for another 30 seconds. Nice bit of endurance for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys joined in with me. And remember, be happy and be healthy. Bye-bye.